Hey guys, my name is Ishansha from zishansha.com, and today I bring high ticket affiliate marketing programs for you. In this video, I will show you what is high ticket affiliate program, why you need it and why you have to care about it. The number one reason you have to care about it because you're gonna make so much money, like 10 times more money than the normal affiliate program. The number two reason you will have to understand it's the same amount of work, same amount of effort, and you will get 10 times more money, which actually give you in a takeoff mode all the time when you are doing it. But number three reason why you want to do it, it should be a recurring affiliate program always. Why? Because you will promote one time and you will get all the time recurring income. That's my three main reason. I will tell you why should you choose the program I'm just telling you, and it's gonna bring most of amount of money with less programs, and you don't need to promote a lot of BS around the internet. But the number one condition, you have to promote this one. You should at least on the mid-level. How you gonna jump from the newbie to the mid-level, or you are not thinking you can do it? You can jump into my free courses, what I bring for you for affiliate marketing. There's hundreds of videos in there. You can just click the link below and just go check it out. There are three courses which gonna make your basis with a different kind of affiliate marketing, and the last one is high ticket affiliate marketing. It is only for those people who actually have a record of affiliate marketing, at least a slight record, and you can be able to do that if you are not, just to do that. And also if you want to make so much money with the other affiliate kind of thing, like for niche based, for the launch jacking, you can get those courses and make money from there free of cost from me. So now jump into the high ticket affiliate program. What I'm bringing for you, number one is the Kartra in my list. Why? Because it's not so much saturated right now. It's going to give you 40% of the lifetime every sale of these kind of packages. You could see that all the packages, you can come to Kartra and you can check this out. Everything in there, one custom domain, email, the hosting, the pages, videos, the membership product, everything is in detail here. And a lot of people end up in $199 because it have the autoresponder, it have the unlimited emails, bandwidth, everything there. And every affiliate marketing person nowadays, they need some kind of page builder with all of those things. Now number two on my list is ClickFunnels. Definitely it's 40%, and it is actually $99 for 20 funnels. And if you are just starting out, you need it. If you are in a mid-level, you need it. If you are a product creator, you need it. If you are a course person, you are creating the course, you need it. Definitely. But definitely you will get the email autoresponder with this one. That's why it's $99, and I will highly suggest you to jump into that program as well if you need it. If I will be you, instead of going to $199 a month, I will join this $99 a month and $99 a month, because in that way I can promote those two programs and I will make tons of money. And also it's a 40% recurring income on the top of like one-time income. That's the high ticket, guys. It's like $99. That means you're gonna earn like $39, around $35 for this one. Builderall, just see the commission structure: 100% commission and 30% commission for recurring commission. And second tier of the people who are just promoting the Builderall, you're gonna get the commissions, and you know how much money you can make with this. So it's very easy, guys. Just see that. You go to builderall.com and check it by yourself. This is Shopify is another one. A lot of people are giving a free training for Shopify, and they are just getting $2,000 for Shopify Plus. A lot of people are going for $58. Still they're gonna just jump into the Shopify, and you are just getting $58. But Shopify Plus is for the people who are serious in this drop shipping business, in e-commerce business, and you are earning that kind of income if you are an affiliate of Shopify. And there is another one called BigCommerce. I'm not affiliate for that, so that's why I don't know about it, what they are doing it. Thrive Card, guys, this is like 50% of $595 and $95 of 50%. You can, it's just like one time, and then definitely it's a one-time income. It's not recurring, but still everybody needs some kind of card system, and Thrive Card is actually booming right now. I'm using by myself, and this is super great to promote, to use, and you should have in your arsenal as well. This one is legendary marketer. This guy David Sharp is from the previous network. If you remember, the network name was Empower Network, and he was partner with David Wood, and that's why he knows this legendary marketing. I'm not the fan of make money online, these kind of network, but this guy knows what he's doing, and you can make tons of money. He have the offer for $1, and a person will opt in and gonna give a lot of different kind of product in there. So if, for instance, if you are a club member, you will be able to get only club member commissions if you are the member there, and then you will promote for $1. If somebody opt in through your link, you're gonna make the money. Same with the traffic university. There are other so many levels till $5,000. Imagine person who will just opt in for $1. If they're gonna make a purchase of $5,000, you're gonna earn the $5,000, 50% of the commission. That's $2,000 actually after the tax and everything. So this is another one. Now a lot of you are thinking maybe it's difficult for all of them, but just see this SiteGround. Everybody needs the hosting. Like my site, I need some kind of hosting, no matter if I have the ClickFunnels or anything else. So people are using what you call that, the courses, the templates, and they are actually bundling this Elementor and SiteGround together, and they are earning this kind of commission. 50 sales, $75 per sale, 6 to 10 sale, 11 to 20 sale. You could see that, guys, and their structure is really great. Everybody needs it. You could see that their pricing structure is $9.99, but actually it's $24.99 a month. If somebody goes there, it's very beautiful. And their service is super great because they have the fastest hosting, they have reliable support no matter what. And now they have the Elementor. You have the Elementor 50% sale. If you will actually bundle up with this SiteGround, you can make a lot of money, because the person is buying this one, they definitely will gonna end up with Elementor. Why they wanna get the Elementor? If you will go themeforest.com and or anywhere else in the theme industry, you will end up buying a lot of themes with like one theme like $70, around $70. But Elementor will give you the page middle. Not only that, they will give you a lot of templates, pre-made templates that you can import from there, and you can make any site you want with this kind of hosting, and you will have recurring income no matter what. This one one time, and this one recurring with that one. Now what else you need? You will need an autoresponder. You will need an email service. These are yes to any business online. You knows that what I'm saying. Affiliate bounty program. If you want for one sale, you can get this one, or you can get a recurring income of 33%. I will highly suggest you go with this one. And same with the Aweber. You could see that this is the commission structure with this one. So if I will be you, I will not go in so much shady programs and $30,000 and $24,000, because guys, in the reality, not a lot of people gonna buy $24,000 or $16,000 program. It's just like once in a blue moon somebody gonna buy it. So I highly suggest you to go with the high ticket, but those are the consistent, and those are the for the need, not the wants. Need program, because imagine the person have the so much value with these programs is not gonna go into the waste. They are using it actually in their own business, except this one. They are using it every time in the business, and then definitely they will have the ability to promote that program, and then when they promote that program, they will have the money to actually bear the bills of all of these programs. In that way, you want to get the money in the consistent basis, and you are not doing any work virtually. I will highly suggest you to go with the program which actually people really needed. There are a lot of new people coming all the time in the industry. They need this kind of program, and I know a lot of very big marketers actually on the back of all of these programs, which I personally knows them. So guys, I will highly suggest you to do this one, and share, like, and subscribe my channel if you're not done till now. And also just check out the courses if you really need it. It is totally for your help. It's not some mastermind kind of program right now. You can go there, you can ask any question with me if you want. I'm here for you. It's zishanshah.com, and go and contact zishansha.com. You can ask any question, guys. I will try to answer you as much as I can. Thank you guys. Thanks for sticking with this video so long. If you need more value, you can just subscribe to my channel and always keep eye on to the channel. I will be there for you. Thank you. I'll see you around.